Hi, hope everyone is doing well. Today we're going to be lecturing on primary teeth, amalgam class 2s, lecture 2.4. Okay, let's begin. So class 2 amalgam restorations in primary teeth. With the primary teeth, the way they're prepped isn't much different than in permanent teeth. You just have to follow some simple guidelines and using smaller instruments. And otherwise, the way you cut them and prep them for a restoration is very similar. The pulpal depth, obviously, with it being a smaller tooth, you want it to be less than 1.5, the pulpal depth on primary teeth, as opposed to permanent. You want minimum 1.5. Less occlusal force on there. Therefore, you don't need you don't need bulk of the 1.5 or greater. Also, because of the pulpal nerve being closer to the occlusal surface, you don't want it to be greater than 1.5. These are some of the instruments that's recommended. My favorite is the football burnisher, especially along the occlusal primary grooves. And be careful with the cleoid-discoid carver, especially around the cavo surface margin, because you can overcarve, and that you don't want to have. The Hollenbeck is great interproximally, removing excess amalgam once you've removed the Tuffelmeyer band and wedge. It's great to remove any overhangs. Here are some of the matrix bands sizes for the primary teeth. For the condensation, you want to definitely make sure that you're using a small instrument to be able to get in there between the buccal and lingual wall into the pulpal floor. Around the margin, again, either the ball burnisher or the football. I like the football one. For the contouring, just be careful with the discoid cleoid carver. And here's another example of a completed restoration and the slot prep on there. Doesn't need to be that deep. The video will help illustrate this further, so I'll make sure to include that also for you guys in the lecture portion. Okay, thank you. Have a good day.